Hi friends, this is Pankaj Srivastava. Today in my episode of Heart to Heart Discussion, which is the fourth one from the desk of Winning Ways Training Consultancy, I'm going to discuss about a topic which is self-talk. Friends, you will appreciate that in this present era, we have to have a positive influence onto the other persons. Now, if you want to have a positive influence, your interpersonal relations they play a very important role, and to have a good interpersonal relationships with other people, I mean your self-awareness as well as your social awareness both are extremely important. So you must know about yourself, what are the plus points, what are the negative points, what are the blind spots, etc. And of course your social awareness will include empathetic attitude with others, understanding the other's perspective, etc. Now, fact of the matter is, friends, that our biggest companion in our life is our mind, because our mind continuously keeps on talking to ourselves, right? Now, you will notice that if that self talk which is there in your mind, if it's a positive self talk, then obviously, whether it's for a person or whether it's for any situation, you will have a positive behavior towards that, and this positive behavior will lead to positive actions also from your side. And conversely, if you are having some negative feelings about the other person, then obviously your behavior will also be very reserved, and obviously you will not be able to give 100% or more than 100% towards that person. Now, therefore, I mean, we need to be very, very careful about our self talk, right? And in case you find that our self talk is going somewhat negative, you must continue, you must immediately stop that and think about positive things. Because, fact of the matter is, friends, if you want to have a positive relationships, I mean, you have to think about good things about the other person. Nobody is 100% perfect, right? Now, everybody has got some shortcomings, but you have to see the brighter side about that person, especially in relations, right? Now, if you are seeing the brighter side of that person, then obviously, the things will be also positive in terms of outcome. Now, there are many things you have to think in a positive manner. That could be his behavior, that could be his attitude, that could be his intentions, that could be his motive, all these things. Now, as long as you are thinking in a positive manner, obviously the results are also going to be very, very positive. And I mean, you will notice that sometimes when your bosses say, for instance, if he is giving some constructive feedback, right? And if I am very positively inclined towards that person, if I think that look, this person, he has got company's interest also, at the same time he is also interested in my welfare. As long as I've got those type of feelings towards the other person, suppose he is giving me any constructive feedback, I'm going to take that feedback in the most positive manner, and I'm going to act on that. And conversely, if you are thinking that look, my boss, he is playing politics, he doesn't, he's not fair, he doesn't like me, and if these are the negative, vibes which you are having, then even if he is telling you something which is very, very pertinent for your own development, even then you will be extremely suspicious about that person's motive. So this is what happens, friends. And let me tell you, friends, that in your life, your emotional intelligence, your interpersonal relationships, they are going to take you, far ahead in your career, in your personal life as well as in your professional life, as compared to your IQ, right? IQ, with IQ you will be able to understand the abstract concepts, etc., very well, right? But you will also notice there have been numerous people who are extremely intelligent, very knowledgeable, but they have not been able to grow, right? Neither in their personal life nor in their professional life. Personal lives, their relations, husband, wife, son, daughter, all these relations, they are not very good, not very healthy. And same way, even in personal, professional life also, you will notice that though ideally speaking they should have grown in their career far ahead because of their competence, that's what you will feel, but problem there is that their emotional intelligence, their ability to control their emotions, their ability to build good interpersonal relations with people, that was not very good, and that's one of the reason why these people, they have not been able to climb up. So friends, always remember your self talk. You should be very attentive what your self talk is telling, and in case you find that there is any negative self talk which is going on, please try to stop that and think about positive things, right? With this, I sign off, and maybe next week when I come on Sunday, I will come out with some other interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.